The moose is a remarkable creature that teaches us valuable spiritual lessons that resonate with our lives. Through its imposing presence, we learn to embrace our inner strength and self-assuredness. The move inspires us to seek introspection and reflection away from the chaos of everyday life, to foster spiritual growth. Its remarkable adaptability teaches us flexibility and resilience in navigating life challenges. The moose symbolizes harmony in the natural world, urging us to live in unity with nature. The moose's majestic presence awakens our appreciation with the earth's beauty and motivates us to connect with our environment. The moose's persistence teaches us to persevere through life's trials and cultivate patience. Let the moose guide you on a spiritual journey of strength, solitude, and harmony with the natural world.